Welcome to Jeevan Mantra YouTube channel. So in our previous class, already we have discussed about the different types of numbers and which are called real numbers. Already we have discussed, and also how to find the factors for a given number. What are the prime numbers? What are the natural numbers? What are the whole numbers? And what are the rational numbers, what are the irrational numbers. Already we are discussed in the previous class. In this class we learn some questions. The question is, express each of the following number as a product of its prime factors. So here I written 5 questions, how to solve these questions. So the first question is 156. The given number is 156. The given number 156. So we want to find the product of its prime factors. So solution. So the given number is 156. So this is the rough work here I am writing. So in the second table 156, when it will come, so if you don't know, you do the division. 2 7 ja 14, so then 6 2 8 ja 16, so 278 ja 156, so 278 ja 156 we will take like that. So next again we take you second table. So in the second table 78, so 2 3 ja 6, 7 minus 6 1, so remaining 18, 2 9 ja 18, so 2 39 ja 78, 2 39 ja 78. So similarly, so last single in units place 9 is there, so we don't take 2 because of in the second table 39 will not come, so we will take the third table. We will take the third table. In the third table 39, 3 1 ja 3, so 9, 3 3 ja 9. So in the third table 3 13 ja 39, and 13 is the prime number. So prime number, that's why we will take 13 table, 13 1 ja 13. These are the prime numbers, 2 2 3 and 13. These are the prime numbers. Now we will write the product of the prime numbers. So the given number is 156 is equal to, so 2 into 3 into 13. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 13 ja 156. This is the given number 156. This is the product of the prime numbers. How to write the given number 156? Product of the prime numbers means 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. This is the first question 156. We will do same like this. One more question here. I am doing one more question here. So third question now we will solve. So the given number is 5005. Some students are confused here, so all of you listen here. So 5005. So 5005. So in the units place 5 is there. So the number will come only in the 5 table 5005. In the 5 table 5005, when it will come 5 1 ja 5, so 0, so carry forward 0, 5 0 ja 0, so again 0, carry forward 5 0 ja 0, Again we will take 5. 5 1 ja 5. So remainder is 0. So in the 5 table, 5005, 5 into 1 5, 1001 ja 5005. So in the 5 table, 5001. So next, so maybe it will not come in any table. It is prime number 1001 is a prime number. So 1001 1 ja 1001. So the product of prime numbers. Now we will write 5005 is equal to 5 into 1001. This is the product of the prime numbers. So if any number given in the question, so we will do like this. Okay, so remaining questions second and fourth and fifth to solve like this. So it will come. So this is the solution of this given problems. In previous question we are already discussed how to write the prime factors to the given numbers. So here one more concept we learn here. So LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. This is the important word, prime factorization method. So now what we are learning here, we are finding how to find in the LCM and HCF. So we have 2-3 methods are there to find the LCM and HCF. Here one of the method we are introducing, that is the prime factorization method. So already we know LCM. LCM means LCM, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Common multiple. HCF means highest common factor. Lowest common multiple and highest common factor. So here simply we are discussing what is the difference between lowest common multiple and highest common factor. If two numbers are given, for example 2 and 4. For example here we are taking 2 and 4. So if the given numbers 2 and 4, what is the LCM and what is the HCF of the given numbers 2 and 4? Here, so 2, what are the prime factors of 2? Prime factors of 2, so only 2. Next, what are the prime factors of 4? So what are the prime factors of 4 means 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. So 2 into 2. These are the prime factors of 4. So here, now if we want to find the LCM, here what are the first we will write the common factors. First we will write the common factors. So here 2 and 2. These are the 2 2 2. So these are the common factors you take one time, and one more here 2 there, so you write this one. So total 2 2 ja 4. So 4 is the LCM of the 2 and 4. So simply this is one. Next we will find the HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor. So highest common factor of the 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So here also we will write the prime factors. What is the prime factor of 2? 2. What is the prime factor of 4? 2 into 2. So here we are finding the HCF, highest common factor. So here we will take what is the common factor of with 2 in two numbers. Common factor is 2. So the HCF is only 2. The HCF is only 2. So LCM means lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. So 4 is the lowest common multiple for 2 and 4, and 2 is the highest common factor for 2 and 4. So similarly, this is the example problem. So similarly, we will find the given problems. How to find the solution? So here the first question is 12, 15 and 21. Now we want to find the LCM of this given numbers from the prime factorization method. So first we will write the prime factors of 12. So this is the explanation. 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. So the prime factors of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. This is the product of the prime factors of the given number 12. So similarly, we will write 15. 15 is equal to 15. This I am taking third table. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So here 3 into 5. These are the prime factors, product of the prime factors of the 15. Similarly, and one more number 21. 21, 3 7 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7. So 3 into 7. This is the product of the prime numbers of the given number 21. Now we want to find the LCM. So LCM. So LCM is equal to, already we learned before. So what are the, first we will write the common factors. So what are the common factors here in these three numbers? So 3, 3, 3. 3 is the common factor of these given three numbers. That is, you write 1 times 3 and so there is no common factors in these three numbers remaining. So remaining all numbers you multiply here, all 2 into 5 into 7. So that is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 67 are 420. So 420 is the LCM of the given these three numbers. So what is the LCM of the 12, 15 and 21 is 420, the lowest common multiple. So that is the 420 of the lowest common multiple, the given numbers 12, 15 and 21. Next we will find the, already LCM is over. Next we will find the HCF, highest common factor of these given three numbers. Now so again we will write here same 12. The prime product of the 12 is 2 into 3 and 15, 3 into 5 and 21, 3 into 7. Now we will find the highest common factor. Highest common factor, how we can find? HCF is equal to, first we will write the common factor. We will write only common factors. So 3, 3 and 3. So only the common factor is 3 is there. So the HCF of the given these three numbers is 3. Highest common factor of 12, 15 and 21 is 3. So this is the HCF of the given numbers. So remaining second, third and fourth, fifth questions you do like this. So the solution we will get. This is the how to find the LCM and HCF of the given numbers. This is the 1 mark or 2 marks question in the examination. Okay. Thank you.